Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about what are the types of statistics we have. We are having two types of statistics. One is descriptive and one other one is inferential statistics. So these are the two categories we are having. In this, we will follow some methods and techniques to analyze and interpret the data. So descriptive statistics means we know that in this we are using some methods for summarizing and presenting the data in a meaningful and understandable way. And in this we are having measures of central tendency in the descriptive statistics. In this we'll use these measures of central tendency by following some of the average value of data sets. One is mean, mode and median. Mean means the arithmetic average of set of values we know. Mean another name is average only. So we need to calculate the average by following the arithmetic progression formula. So and median means the middle value of the data set. And mode means the value that appears most frequently. We'll use this mode. So in the central tendency, we are going to learn about what is mean, mode and median. So we see that what is mean. So the mean is also called as average and it is calculated by summing up all the values in a data set and then divided by the total number of values. Summary of sum of all values by total number of values will calculate the mean. This is the formula for the calculation of mean. Sum of all values by total number of values. For example, we can see some of the examples how we calculate the mean. Here we are having the scores of a group of students in mathematics test. They got this score 85, 92, 78, 89 and 95. This is the score we have. We need to calculate the mean. To calculate the mean, we need to follow the steps what we have through the formula. Adding all the score, sum of the all the score, that is 439, and count the total number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 439 by 5. Like that we can get the mean value. So the number of values are 5. So the mean formula is total sum of the scores and by number of values. Sum is 439 and number of values are 5. So 439 by 5, that is 87.8. So this is the way we can calculate the mean. So the mean score of the students in mathematics test is 87.8. Like that we can give the answer. What is the mean of the scores of students in mathematics subject? We'll use the formula of mean. Mean equal to the total sum of the values by number of values. Like this we can get the values. For example, to interpret this result, you can say that average score of the student is approximately 87.8 out of 100. So the marks for each student is per 100 only. So out of 100, we got the approximate result is 87.8. So and also we can see the mean calculation in weather forecasting. We can see in the day 1 75 degree Fahrenheit we have, and day 2 78 degree, and day 3 80 degrees, and day 4 day 5 day 6. In 1 week calculation had taken the weather details. So in this we need to calculate the mean. To calculate the mean temperature for that week, we need to follow the steps. First of all, we need to sum all the weather details. The total is 547 and count the total number of days. The total number of days are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 547 we got the sum and the number of days are 7. The mean formula is mean equal to the sum of the days by number of days. The sum of the temperature of the days by number of days equal to 78.14 degree Fahrenheit. So the mean temperature for the week is this much. So the simple calculation, if you remember the formula of this, sum of the values by number of days or number of students, like that. So this is the simple calculation of mean. And also mean calculation in population of a India country, how they can do. For example, they want to calculate the mean age of a population in India. So they can collect the information from person 1, he is a 30 years old, 32 years, and person 2, person 3. So like that, some 7 persons age we had collected the information. So we need to calculate the mean age for these 7 persons. The formula is sum. First of all, calculate all ages, that equal to 277, and the total number of ages individuals are 7. So sum of ages by number of individuals. We need to divide that value, we'll get 39.57 years. So like that, in so many examples we can use by following this mean formula to calculate the information. Another example, simple examples we can see. I think most of the people, they will connect with this example, I think so. We can see the cars. We are having Swift, Verna, Santro cars, and that mileage is this much and the cylinder is this much. So the formula is, we know sum of the all terms and by total number of terms. So we want to calculate the mileage of the cars. So the mean value of the car mileage is equal to sum of all the terms 21.3, 20.8 plus 19 by 1, 2, 3. So we got the mean value of the car mileage 20.36. So like that, we can use this mean formula in the central tendency of statistics. And the next topic, average calculation, that is mode. Mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Why means, in the data, whatever the information we have, that information that can be one mode or more than one mode or no mode, like that also we may have. Whatever the information we collected, in that we will get this type of modes. One mode or more than one mode or no modes also we can get. So what is mode? How we collect the information? So this mode is useful for categorical or discrete data. For that purpose, we'll use this mode information. For example, we can see, suppose a data set having representing the number of cars parked in a parking lot over a week. Number of cars are this many cars. This many cars are parking in that area. To calculate the mode, you need to identify the value that appears most frequently. We can see in the days till day 7, what is how many cars are frequently are parking. We can see 12, 14, 12, 10, 14, 12, and what are all the numbers are repeated means 12. Here 12 cars, here 12, and here 12, and also 14. 14 also repeated 2 times. So what is the repeated value? That is the mode. So from that we can see 3 times 12 cars came. So that is the mode. The mode for this data set is 12 cars. 12 cars, that is the mode value. We can present the information like that. So the mode means what is the value that was repeating frequently, that is the mode value. For example, we can see the some of the group of people, their favorite color among the people, like blue, red, blue, green, blue, purple, red. So what are the colors names are repeating? Blue 1, 2, 3, 4 times blue color was repeated. So that is the mode. So the mode value among the people, their favorite color is blue. So blue is the answer, we can say. So in this data set, the favorite color of the people is blue, like that. And for example, you can see with the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 7, 7, 4, 2, 4. Which number was repeating so many times? Here you can see 2, 1, 2, 3 times it was repeated. And 3 was repeated only one time. And 4 was repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it was repeated. So the mode is 4. Which number was frequently repeated? That is the mode value. I think you got my point. Mode means what is the number that was repeating frequently, that is called the mode. And next, median. How to calculate the median? Median is the middle value in data set. Mean is calculating the average and mode is selecting the frequent number and median is the middle value in the data set. The middle value in the data set, that is called the median. So when it is arranged in order, we need to arrange that numbers in order from big to small or small to big, whatever it is, means like that, from in order from at least to greatest. Once you order that numbers, you can guess what is the middle value in that. So in this data set, if the data set has an odd number of values, the median is the middle value only. If the data set has an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle values. That I will tell you with example. Means odd numbers means we can select easily one middle value. If the numbers in the data set, those are even numbers means, then we can take the two numbers and calculate the average to the even numbers. To the two even numbers, we can calculate the average, that is the median value. For example, you can see how the odd number calculation would be. Odd number of values. For example, you can see the ages of group of people. These are the ages 28, 35, 42, 19 and 53. So in this we can see to calculate the median, we can select the middle value. And the first thing is we need to segregate the values from small to big. Small number is 19, next 28, 35, 42, 53. Like that, we need to arrange in a ascending order from small number to big number. Then after, there is an odd number of 5 in this case. 3, 4, 5. Only 5 values are there. The median is the middle value, we can say. Here, this side and this side equal values and middle value is 35. So we can say for these odd numbers, the middle value, the median age of this group is 35. The median is 35, simply we can say. If the numbers are odd numbers only, we can get the one single number as the median value. And if the numbers are even numbers, if there are even numbers we can see the test scores of the students. 72, 89, 63, 92, 77 and 81. First of all, we need to order. Means in ascending order, we need to present the data from small to big. 63, 72, 77, 81, 89 and 92. So in the ascending order, small to big, we need to arrange the numbers. And in that, we can see what is the middle value. Here we can't see. Start 63, 72 and the back side we can see 89 and 92 and the middle values are 77 and 80. These are the even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6. These are the even numbers. So we can select these two numbers 77 and 81. With these two middle values, we need to calculate the average. Average formula is both numbers sum by number of scores. 77 plus 81 by 2. So the answer is 79. So the median for the even number calculation is 79. So like that we can calculate the median. And also we can see one more example for the median. We can take the cars. Cars, mileage and cylinder of the previous example only. How to calculate the median? So order the mileages. 15, 19, 20.8 and 20.3. So in ascending order, we need to arrange the numbers, mileage values, median formula. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the even numbers. For the even numbers, we need to calculate the average of middle numbers 19 and 20.8. Median equal to apply the average formula, we will get the median value is 23.5. So like this, we can calculate the mean, mode and median. Mean we can calculate by using average formula, and mode means in this we need to select the frequently coming number, and median will calculate based on the odd numbers and even numbers. For the odd numbers we can easily select the middle value. For the even numbers we need to apply average formula. For the middle values we will get the median answer. So this is the three statistical average calculation we can use in the central tendency of the descriptive statistics.